Hello guys, how you doing today? I'm recording this ahead of time to get this show on the road, but you're probably gonna hear a little bit of a video there, but I'm gonna be setting up a Gateway 2000 4DX250V, yes, on PCM, like it or lump it. But hey, what you gonna do? Cheap bastard. I really need to work into getting real hardware, CF cards, all that cool stuff, but I just can't afford it, guys. Just saying. Yep. Anyway, we'll go with Intel. Um, Let me hear music. That was me closing my door, by the way. 4DX. I think it's supposed to be a DX2. Yeah. Oh, we set this to 16? Yes, we can. Alright, we'll set the Cirrus Logic 5430. Oh, CLGD 5430, but close stuff. 1 megabyte of memory, video memory. Sound Blaster 16, 3.5-inch floppy disk drive, probably a 16-speed drive. And size, I'll just give it a 2 standard VOG 2 gig drive. Yeah, move that up a little bit. My phone's in the way. 2000 DX2-50V HDD. Hit save. Okay. That sounds good to me. Leave that CD-ROM, hard drive, yep. Yeah, we know it's a CD-ROM. Okay, I guess I'll have to leave that serial mouse then. And we could add a network card later, but we'll worry about that later. Alright, it wants me to run the setup utility, so we'll go ahead and do that. We'll move this over a little bit. Press F1, and it's probably gonna force us to use setup utility, yep. Let's do that. Days of Infinite Wonder, 1924, huh? We set it. Nope. Boo-hoo. And I guess we're doing power management features then. Let's see if it'll take the hard drive. No, it did not. What the heck? Okay, it worked that time. I do not know why it didn't work before, but it worked the second time. Anyway, just save the changes. Okay, apparently it's thinking both drives are high density. I have to run setup again. Keyboard error. I did want to go in the BIOS though. I don't know why it's showing that keyboard error though. Alright. Floppy drive A is supposed to be set to 1.44 meg. This is supposed to be set to not installed. And yeah, we already noticed the hard disk was already detected, of course. Save changes. I think it saved changes. I hope it did. Okay, did see the hard drive. So yeah, that's a good sign. So I'm gonna install MS-DOS on here now. I'm just gonna install 6.22. Pressing the keys, press enter. I have a meeting at 4 o'clock, so whenever we get this done before like 5 or 10 minutes before 4 o'clock, we'll end up stopping it there for then. Actually, I'm going to X out MS-DOS setup here. I do want to check something here. I'll run fdisk. I want to see how much you'll see. 1, no. Okay, it's only seen 504 megabytes, so I'm probably gonna have to put disk overlay software on here, guys. That's unfortunate. Alright, so let's switch drive A for, I believe it's this one, I believe. I don't know. Guess we'll find out. We'll have to run easy. Okay, let's enter fully automatic. Okay, it does have to control the drive, so we'll say yes. Alright, that looks good to me. It's probably gonna want MS-DOS disk in a second here. Yep, just as I thought. I'll just put the MS-DOS disk back in. Probably disk 1. Okay. Move any disk from the floppy drive and press escape to restart your system. Now let's do that then. There's easy drive loading. Alright, good sign. Okay, apparently it thinks January 4th, 1980. That's way off. Uh, 090924 might do the trick. I don't know. Invalidate. Oh, maybe it needs to be 0909 2024. There we go. I think that time is right. Alright, Microsoft MS-DOS version 6.22, copyright Microsoft Corporation, 1981, 1994. Alright, good sign. So let's do Control-Alt-Delete here. I think we have to hold down Alt. Actually, no, it's Control. Okay. I'll just leave the time and date alone. That is right. There we go. I got that wrong. I thought it was Alt, but it's not. It's Control. So that was my fault. I'll press A. I'll put the MS-DOS disk back in. Press Enter to reboot. Well, sort of. Alright. Press Enter. Yep, it says your computer already has MS-DOS installed on it. If we were booting from the floppy before Easy Drive load up, it would do something else, I believe. We can go ahead and continue to set up, replace our current version of DOS. And see, it doesn't format our drive. And look at that, the date and time is correct. Alright, so here we go. MS-DOS 6.22 is installing. And I will be right back. Don't go away. Yep. Alright, I accidentally made a recording where I had the mic down again. But that's going to be a very short recording. Very short, actually. But MS-DOS 6.22 is now installed on your computer. We'll reboot. I did take the floppy out, if you're wondering. Alright. IMEM is test extended memory. It takes a while on 486, if you're wondering. Alright. Now we'll install the supplemental tools, because why not? I believe that would be setup C:/DOS. DOS or whatever. Do all. We'll do F5 for VGA. Yep, that looks accurate to me. Alright, it's gonna copy some files. Yep, go ahead. Alright, we'll let it do its thing here. Some of these files will be very important to us, including the DOS shell, which is a pretty cool program, which is copying right now, obviously. Um, so yeah, that's pretty fun. And so yeah, we'll take the floppy out and we'll just reset with Control Alt Delete. Easy drive loads again, of course. I think that's it with the MS-DOS 6.22 diskettes. The next thing I need to do is install oh, what is it? I forgot now. Oh crap. Lost my train of thought. Oh yeah, I was gonna copy drivers over from floppy disk, but I don't know if they're on there or not. I do have a separate disk that has just the individual drivers, but I want to see if these drivers are on this disk too. It looks like they are, because I can see mouse.com and necid.sys. So we'll probably copy them from here. Okay. So yeah, that'll be fun. Anyway, we'll just make a directory called drivers. Free. And we'll copy a colon slash nec underscore id.sys. Alright, that copied just fine. I'll also copy a colon slash mouse.com. This is a serial mouse. I don't know how well it'll work though, but we'll see. I don't know why I did that. I thought I was in the window there. I'll just make the window active, I guess. Anyway, okay, this is not really. This could all be because of a low Lycanroc video. I hope that video I played on my tablet isn't going for this mic. It's just my Packard Bell video that'll be uploaded on September 10th. Yeah. Anyway, got this driver going, device high, and the driver is NEC underscore IDE SYS. We'll just do slash D colon MSCD 001. File save. Oh, I'll save. I'll save it twice. As Santa Claus says. God, why does Billy Rhodes on SimCity 2000 are so loud? Damn. Anyway, drivers. Actually, that's in DOS. Unless I forgot to load the mouse driver, which I think I'll load the CD-ROM driver first. D CD001. Alright. And then we'll load the mouse driver. That's good enough. Alright, I'll just take the floppy out again. I'll be able to see you there. Reset. See if our drivers work. Alright, so far so good. Alright, looks like everything's good to go. That's a good sign. We put a Packard Bell Master CD in so we could install Windows 3.1. Now, I do have a Gateway Master CD we could also use, but you know what? Let's just use a Packard Bell CD. Who cares? Of course, we'll put in WinDRVS. Okay, actually, it's Drive E. I remember that what was it called? The program, that Easy Drive. It made us two partitions, so yeah. Anyway, we're gonna copy from e:/install Windows into WinDRVS on the hard drive. And there we go. I'll go ahead and stop recording here, guys. This is a 16-speed drive. It's gonna take a while. All right, I'm back, guys. I had to clear my throat. I only got like 20, 24 minutes until my meeting starts, so we're gonna have to enjoy this while we can. I'll probably have to do the rest like later on. I don't know. We can at least get Windows set up while we can. It's checking. I've never seen this screen before. Hmm. Okay, apparently I must already have Windows on here. Okay, taking the CD out must have helped. Custom, MS-DOS, VGA, IBM. I guess that looks good. I don't know. I'll let it do its thing, I guess. Kind of sweating a little bit too. Work out when you do this kind of stuff, I guess. And cursor works. That's a good sign. I did download a Gateway 2000 Restore CD. Well, it's not Restore CD. It's actually a System CD. I downloaded off of the Internet Archive. We'll see if we can try that with this PC emulation. Jesse Hackinson, Pokemon World. There's a product number, but you can leave it blank though. You can't do that now with like Windows 10 or 11, sadly. It's so annoying. But what you gonna do? Alright, there's no network installed, and there was a detected network card, but we're not really worried about that right now. We'll just continue on. We'll let it make all the modifications. Pretty cool there. We'll skip tutorial. And we'll restart, I guess. And here we go. I'm curious to see if the mouse driver will get screwed up. I think it did on this motherboard, on this ROM, I believe. It did on the other ones, but I think it did do it on this one. I think the issue can be solved with a hard reset. And yeah, it looks like it's not showing up. Because it does it after a messy deck. So yeah, driver not installed. Let me do a hard reset here. Of course, gotta do that RAM test, of course. I think the reason why it got screwed up is because it was because of me installing Windows, I believe. That probably might have messed it up. I don't know. The hard reset might fix it. And it did. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay. So we can boot into Windows now. Of course, we don't have any drivers installed, of course. Of course, you already do that. But we're going to put our Gateway Restore CD in. I don't know why I keep saying it's a Restore CD. It's a System CD. same thing, but whatever. Not really. Drive E, and here's all the stuff here that we have. I'm probably gonna start with the video driver. Cirrus Logic, probably Windows 3.1. I'm not sure if this is gonna work or not. We'll give it a try anyway. Okay, this is a README document. Um, okay, it's for a CL Alpine graphics card. Yeah, yeah, we'll go with that. This is for Cirrus Logic Alpine, but I think it should work though if it's a Cirrus Logic GD5430. It said 5434, but this is a 5430, but maybe it'll work. I don't know. We'll hope for the best and try anyway. And this is just a regular Cirrus Logic card, so I wouldn't see why it wouldn't work. That looks fun. Close out file manager there. That's set the gateway Vivitron 15, but this is meant for a gateway thing. We'll just leave it alone. We do want to set it to 640 by 480. Make all modifications. Yeah, we'll go ahead and reboot. Oh, that don't look right. Maybe this wasn't the right driver then. Hmm. Yeah, I can't even get out of here. Alt F4. Okay, we'll just do that. Yeah, it looks like that was definitely not the right driver. So I'm gonna have to do some edit commands here. I think it's in config.sys, I believe. Maybe not. Actually, no, it was in autoexec. Auto. Yeah, here it is. clmode.exe. Let's just try to remove this line here. Oh man, it's not gonna let me remove it, really? It's not letting me remove it. What the hell? Alright, I guess we'll just do this then. Yeah, DOS can be weird sometimes. Punish you for not having the right drivers. Just exile that. We'll leave the system CD in there, but I want to do a Control-Alt-Delete and see if that command will fix it. Removing that autoexec line will fix it, which I highly doubt it will. At this point, I'm probably just gonna have to wait it out until after the Zoom meeting, guys, because I just realized it's 3:45. Let's try this again. It looks like the thing didn't come up. Still screwed up. Yeah, I don't know what to do, guys. I might have to just reinstall Windows. Maybe I can edit go into the Windows folder and um edit the system.ini file. So I highly doubt that will do us any good. Yeah, display.drv. I don't know what was showing up before. Uh, I don't know what the dir/w drv file not found. Maybe it's in the system directory. dir dir. Okay, if we change it to just vga.drv, we might be fine. I don't know. We can try that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try something here. Switch this to vga.drv. Save that. Exit. I think just to be more ambitious, I'm gonna go ahead and reboot just to be on the safe side. Again, would not be a lone Lycanroc video if it was all for nothing, guys. Just saying. I guess that was not the right video driver after all. But I think I do have a separate driver I can use. I really wanted to use the system CD, but I don't think that's gonna work out, guys. Alright, everything's looking okay now, on the bright side at least. So at least I fixed that issue for the edit prompt. So yeah, I think I'm just going to get rid of the VGA utility and just use something else. I don't know. Where is File Manager at? I don't even see it here. Oh, there it is. So we'll go to Drive C here, and we'll just completely delete this directory. Yes. Yes to all. There we go. And we'll also delete this program group as well. Well, I'll do it twice, I guess. There we go. And now everything's looking okay now. Well, for the most part. You can't call it a lone Lycanroc video for nothing, guys. Just saying. Okay, the Cirrus Logic driver is still showing up, though. What's interesting is we can see this just fine, though, but I think it's because I manually set up to use the VGA driver. But anyway, enough fooling around here. I got a Zoom meeting to do in like 10 minutes, guys, so until then, I guess I'm just gonna have to stop here for now, guys. So there you go. But for the magic of video editing, you'll see the rest of the restoration process right now. All right, we're back in Windows again, and we're gonna try installing the Cirrus Logic driver again. What I did was I gave it a different driver, well, different card, I should say. I think I gave it a what did you call it? A Cirrus Logic 5434. Again, I highly doubt this will work, but we'll try it anyway. We got nothing to lose. And by the way, I just finished that Zoom meeting, by the way. It was actually pretty short. I thought it was going to be longer, but it wasn't. Anyway. Great. I don't know if this will work or not. We'll try anyway. Uh, I will tell it to make the modifications later. Restart Windows. Yeah, I don't think this video driver is intended for this system. That is very annoying. So I don't think we're gonna be able to use this gateway system CD, unfortunately, guys. Which is very annoying. I probably might end up just redoing the whole installation, guys. I don't know what the hell I just did. No, I don't want to save it. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna redo this whole installation, guys. Cause I don't think this system CD was intended for this motherboard. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna use my own drivers, guys. I am so sorry. That's just how it's gonna have to be, guys. I am just gonna have to use my own drivers. I thought the system CD would work, but it's not going to at all, unfortunately. I think the only good thing for it is maybe the wallpapers, but that's about it. But I might as well just use my own. So yeah, I think we're just gonna use our own drivers. So yeah, let me go ahead and delete the VGA utility folder with Del Tree. Yeah. All right. All right. Let's go back to the Windows now. Yep. That. That. All right. So yeah, I don't think we're gonna be able to use the system restore CD, guys. Well, I don't know, system CD or whatever you want to call it. We're probably just gonna have to use our own drivers that we have. With this, I'll probably just leave it alone. I don't know why it quit out Windows there. So yeah, we're just gonna have to use our own drivers, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the Cirrus Logic driver disk in for Windows 3.1. I have it on the ISO image. I forget which command we have to do. Probably install. Yeah. This is unfortunately the only option we have, guys. Because I don't think that system CD will work with this kind of setup. Yeah, I don't think the system CD is designed to work with the drivers, because I think those drivers are specifically meant for gateways, and I don't think they're gonna work with this. So that is very unfortunate. But anyway, we'll just copy these drivers over instead. All right, we'll put in a program group. We'll just put there. All right. Now again, it doesn't default to gateway. Let's just set it to other brand, other model, and we'll set this to 60 hertz. Might just leave it at 75 hertz for all. Don't really matter for PCM. I'll make all modifications, and yes, we will restart. And what do you know? This driver works perfectly. I'll move this to the main group. There we go. Alright, so at least we got that working. Again, I would not. I think that drive. I guess the system C is just not meant for this. Yeah, I don't think it's meant for this thing. It just does not like it at all. So yeah, don't bother. So yeah, I'll probably just end up deleting that. Anyway, we're gonna install the Sound Blaster driver now. And once again, we're just gonna install my own driver. Uh, so the A drive here. And I'll copy it to the C colon slash SB basic. Copy over. It's a pretty big file, but it does inflating and stuff like that. It's a self-extractor, I believe. Alright, we'll get there someday, folks. Don't worry. There we go. Got that. So I have to run for DOS. CDSB basic. Or not. Huh. What the heck? SB basic. Okay, I guess it screwed up the file. Telling you, lone Lycanroc video for nothing. Yeah, I think it's gonna be easier just to do it in DOS. So I'm gonna have to put the floppy back in. I'll make a folder called. This is a lone Lycanroc video for you guys. Just saying. Probably should have done this in DOS in the first place. I think Windows screws up the files. I just realized that. DOS don't do that. I think I was having the same issue with some pictures and it was screwing them up. And it wouldn't let me set up as a wallpaper, so I was pretty upset about that. There we go. Now it's ready now. Alright. Just enter. Enter. Okay, let's go ahead and check the audio card. I think it's a Sound Blaster 16. Let's enter. Let's go install some files now. Here we go. So, one moment, please. That looks good to me. Okay. And we'll back it up. And we'll back it up that too. I don't know why I backed up two files. Usually it backs up one. I had like two Cirrus Logic drivers I installed, so it probably got screwed up. Alright, reboot. Take the image out. We'll just do Control Delete. Let's see round driver loading. I'm gonna have to run diagnostics. They have blown Lycanroc video for nothing, guys. I said that so many times, but just have to do it. Let's freeze for this. Five, 5.
8-bit testing.
I think I heard that.
16-bit testing.
Heard that too. 10. Reboots. Okay. Okay, it's gonna air out again. Nope. Okay, good sign. Good sign. Alright, I think we're good to go, guys. Let's go in the windows again. Yep, driver's working. Perfect. See, I don't think I'm gonna bother with that system CD. It just doesn't work right. Not my worth my sanity. Anyway, once we got the proper video and audio drivers working, even if they were not gateway drivers. And apparently there's a siren going on for some reason. Sorry if it's so loud. Anyway, we need to get this system ready for network access. So we'll go ahead and do that. Just go ahead and end our Windows session. And before I turn this off, I'm gonna turn on display capture here. Settings. Novell 82000. And probably not RQ5, want RQ10. Turn that off. That over a little bit. See if we got our network card working. This will be fun. On Windows. Off. So there, one of my Packer Bill videos I did. Did upload it though. Okay, I think this is it, but I can install the CD audio driver at least. Right direction, of course. Alright. That's good enough for me. Let's go to the Windows setup, do this. Actually, no, it's not. It's... No, gotta go in network, that's right. Okay, network setup. Networks. We have to install Microsoft Windows Network. Drivers, adapter. Have to find the Novell 82000. We're not gonna bother the TechNet because that hasn't been working lately. Alright. Interrupt 10. That looks fine. And now we'll add a protocol, which I think I don't have extracted right now. So we'll close out of that. Give a username, we'll just call it Jesse workgroup, and we'll call this Gateway 486. Alright, let's copy some files. So let this roll away, and I'll probably keep recording, of course, because why not? Alright, the files have been modified, of course. Continue. Because what we're going to do is, we need to put that TCP IP disk in. So I can find it. If it's even here, which it might not be. Weird. Oh, here it is. Disk 01. It's all in here. TCP here should be, yeah, I think it's a self-extractable. CD. Copy a colon slash. Do its thing there. Alright, I think this is a self-extractable thing. Do it for DOS. Yep. So I thought. And we'll go back to the root there. And I think we'll just restart just so the other network stuff will work. And once it boots into MS, once all this MS DOS stuff loads, we could load in the Windows and get the TCP/IP driver installed. All right. No password. You're wondering. Drivers. We'll add a protocol. Unlisted. We'll put C colon slash TCP 32B. Not load the folder. Oh. Okay, it's TCB. Okay. Well, who cares? As long as I got the right folder, it matters. I guess I put that in wrong. Oh well. It says the protocol will enable automatic DHCP. Yes. Okay. And we'll continue. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to shut this down. It'll let me. There we go. And we'll do an air reset here. I tell you, back then, restarting your computer was such a pain in the butt. You don't really have to do it anymore now these days, but yeah, unless you're doing like a Windows update or something like that. But yeah, there you go. Now I'm curious to see, will we get a blue screen of death? Huh, we did not. That's odd. So maybe we can do a ping test and see if it'll work. I want to create a password. I really wish it would not go into full screen. Alright, pinggoogle.com. Okay, it is working. That is interesting. Works better on 3.1 than it did on 95. On my 95 video, I was having such a hard time doing it. It was odd. On here, it's way easier. But yeah, that's very interesting. But anyway, that's the network card installed, and obviously it works perfectly fine without no issues whatsoever. So yeah. So I think I've done enough camera footage here. For now. The mic is pretty loud, obviously, but that's because I turned it up. But anyway, I've done enough footage here, guys. I don't know how long this video is going to be. It's going to be a pretty long one, I will admit. It's so sad we couldn't do the system CD thing with the Gateway 2000 system CD. I'd really like to do. I really wanted to do that, but unfortunately, I don't think it's going to be possible with this kind of setup. Because yeah, I just don't think it is. But yeah, but anyway, I guess that's it for now. I'll do an overview video of this system later on. Um, and keep in mind this video will be uploaded next of like for the following week or next week, I guess. But until next time, I am Jesse Atkinson now, aka the Lone Lycanroc, sign off. Goodbye.